In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, view, and edit Yahoo Mail contacts. We'll be walking through this process step by step, making it easy and clear, so by the end of this session you'll be confident in managing your contact list in Yahoo Mail. First, let's get started by heading over to the Yahoo login page. Here you'll need to enter your Yahoo email address. This is your gateway into Yahoo Mail, so make sure you type it correctly. Once you've done that, you'll see a Next button. Click that to proceed. This is a standard security step to verify your login credentials. The next step is entering your password. Make sure to carefully enter your password, paying attention to any uppercase letters or special characters you might have in there. Once you've done that, click Next again, and voila. You're now logged into your Yahoo Mail account. Once you're inside, focus your attention on the right sidebar. You'll see an icon resembling a small address book. This is the contacts icon. Go ahead and click on that to open up your list of saved contacts. Now on this page you'll see a list of your existing contacts. If you wish to add someone new to this list, look for the All tab. Click on it. This will give you the option to add a new contact. Click on the option that says Add a new contact. You'll now be prompted to enter the new contact's details. This could be their name, email address, phone number, or any other information you want to keep handy. After entering all the necessary information, make sure to hit the Save button. This saves the new contact to your list, making them readily available for future communications. If you ever find the need to update any of your existing contacts' details, don't worry, that's straightforward too. Simply click on the contact you wish to update, and then look out for the More Options button, which is represented by 3 dots either at the side or bottom of the contact's name. Select Edit Contact from the drop-down menu. Now you can easily make any necessary updates or changes to their information. Once you're done, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your edits are updated promptly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently add, view, or edit contacts in Yahoo Mail. Remember, having your contacts up to date can save you a lot of hassle in the long run, particularly when trying to get in touch with the people who matter most to you. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.